In this video we are going to see that how can you install Roblox on your PC. So for those of you who do not know what Roblox is, so Roblox, let me just show you its official website. This is the official Roblox website, and through it you can play different types of games. It is supported on different devices like the iOS, iPhones, your Android phones, your Xboxes, and in your Windows PC as well. So if you want to download it, what you need to do is go to roblox.com/download. If you just go to its official website roblox.com, then it would ask you to log in and it won't give you a download option directly. That's why just to download it, what we're going to do is roblox.com/download, and as you can see, Windows 10 is supported, so just click on download now and its setup would be downloaded that you can install by following the steps over here. So first is download, that we have already done the exe file, and then you can just start the installation process of Roblox. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.